Hi there guys, it's Tony here from Caveman Props, and I'm back at the prop store in London again with Tim, and we are looking at this wonderful piece. I think this is another very recognisable piece.
Yes.
Obviously, James Bond, this is the cow from Little Nellie.
It is, and it's pretty incredible because I don't think basically Ken Wallace was the guy who flew the gyrocopter physically on screen. Obviously, they cut to Sean Connery for the close-ups, but Ken Wallace did all the flying, and Ken Adams saw Ken's machine and wanted to include it into the movie, and so Ken did all the flying. It was his gyrocopter. He carried on flying it for many years afterwards at shows and events, charity fundraisers. And then in 1986 in Northern Ireland, he actually crashed it, and it's on YouTube. It's a pretty scary crash, and it's amazing he walked away from it. But during that crash, this front cockpit nacelle was pretty badly damaged, as you can see. So the nose cone was replaced, and that's the gyrocopter that's still doing tours now and in the museums. But this is the original. This is the filming nose cone.
So this was actually in the film.
This is the actual one. So this is a huge...
And obviously, all of these were never on it during the filming. But no, these are from every show.
That's right. So he added the stickers later on. These are all the events that he flew at. He's got various messages and details about all the events that it flew at. It comes with paperwork from Ken, and he's also signed it as well. So this is the only piece of Little Nellie that's available for private consumption.
This is the only piece. This is
Absolutely.
it.
And this is kind of the most recognisable part of it.
Yes, it is. It's the front nose cone, and obviously Ken flew it, but obviously Sean Connery just sat there.
Yeah.
That's very close to where he was. So for that sort of history, it's a lovely piece.
It's incredible. It's in the auction at 80,000 to 160,000, 80 to 160. But as I say, this is one of the most famous James Bond vehicles.
It is. Apart from the Aston Martin, this is it. This is what people want and get there. So there you are, guys. Come and check this out. This is a piece of cinema history.